Good morning, SOR PE scholars. This is Magister Beck, and I just want to let you guys know that after MEA break or fall break, we will be doing the physical fitness testing. So for this week, week 6, I want you guys just to kind of, practice it, I guess. Just kind of focus on sit-ups, push-ups. We're doing the shuttle run and the mile run, so I don't know if you guys just want to get some mileage in or do some cardio, like an elliptical, treadmill, jog. Just kind of get your cardio going a little bit. And then you can do that over MEA break too, so you're all good to go when we come back to do the physical fitness testing at home. And again, it's going to be the mile, the shuttle run, 60-second sit-ups, 60-second push-ups. And I made a video on this a week or two ago, and you guys can check it out on the YouTube channel, just explaining what I want from it. And then for this week, like I said, you can practice the physical fitness testing, get ready for it, or you should probably do both. Just maybe, we're still doing the soccer unit, so maybe dribble a soccer ball around with your brother or sister, pass it back and forth, play a soccer game with your family. But you can focus on the physical fitness stuff a little more this week and maybe put soccer this side because, like I said, after MEA break, we're going to do that, the mile, shuttle run, sit-ups and push-ups, a minute each to see how many you can get. So get after it, SOR scholars, and hopefully you guys have a great week. Talk to you later.